How to uninstall Facebook app and Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss about how you can uninstall, remove, or delete the Facebook application from your device. So let's get started. First, you can go ahead and tap and hold onto the Facebook application, Facebook Lite application, whatever you're using. You'll get many different options. Go ahead, tap and uninstall, and then tap on OK to confirm, and you'll be done. This will completely uninstall your Facebook application from your device. Another method is you need to open your system settings, scroll all the way down, and there you will see the option of apps. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, from this page, you need to scroll down and search for a Facebook application. Or you can also use the search icon in the top right corner and then type in Facebook, and you'll get three different options in the bottom, that is open, uninstall, and force stop. Tap on uninstall, then tap on OK to confirm. This will also completely uninstall or delete or remove the Facebook application from your device. Now, if you want to reinstall it, go ahead and tap on Play Store or App Store according to your device. Search for Facebook or Facebook Lite application, whatever you're using, and then tap on Install. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.